Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to give you an update on the JUTC buses going to St. Thomas. Now the JUTC has opened up two new routes to St. Thomas and the buses actually started to run the route today. So we're going to go through an article that gives more information on what's going on. Now, with the opening of the highway from Kingston to St. Thomas, it's so much easier to get there now that the buses can start running. The JUTC buses. And with the building of the Morant Bay Urban Center, which is literally a game changer for St. Thomas. The highway is a game changer also. A lot of activity is going to be happening at the Morant Bay Urban Center. It's like they built a new city. So you're going to find a lot of people leaving from Kingston to go to the Morant Bay Urban Center. So the JUTC has decided to operate a bus service there. Now the JUTC is owned by the government, heavily subsidized. But the private bus company, Knutsford Express, is also going to St. Thomas. It's like St. Thomas is open for business all of a sudden with all these developments, the most important being the road. For instance, KFC is in the process of opening their first location over there. It's going to be at the Morant Bay Urban Center. Burger King is coming over there. Hilo is going over there for the first time. These are companies that operate in almost every parish in Jamaica. And they're just going into St. Thomas. And to let you know, just to give you some perspective, St. Thomas got its first stoplight with the opening of the Southern Coastal Highway. They got their first stoplight. That's why St. Thomas got the name the Forgotten Parish. But all that is changing now. And because of everything that's happening in St. Thomas, because of this road, the JUTC is going to start operating daily buses to St. Thomas. Okay, so we're going to go through the article that gives more information. In another historic moment for St. Thomas, the Jamaica Urban Transit Company began operating in the parish today, December 2nd, with two buses, the 701 and the 702, leaving from Yallows Bay and Morant Bay respectively. On schedule, the 702 the 702 left Colonel Cove on Wharf Road at 5 a.m. or it was on Colonel Cove on Wharf Road at 5 a.m. taking on passengers. On that first ride, among the commuters were acting managing director of the JUTC, Owen Ellington, general manager for the Rockford Depot, Michael James, and member of parliament for St. Thomas Eastern, Dr. Michelle Charles. Mr. Ellington expressed delight at the rolling out of the service in the Eastern Parish. I am feeling good for the citizens of Morant Bay. We would like to really make a difference in terms of how they are transported from here to Kingston and back. We are offering a reliable, safe, and affordable service, he said. In a schedule published last week, the JUTC outlined that both the 701 and 702 will depart from Yallows and Morant Bay at 5 a.m. and then again at 5:30 a.m. The buses will run throughout the day up to 7:50 p.m. In Morant Bay, it will leave from Wharf Road outside Colonel Cove and make another stop at the Morant Bay Bus Park on Church Street. In Yallows, it will leave Yallows Square and then make a pickup at Albion. Both buses will terminate at North Parade in downtown Kingston, where they will reload for return trips. Mr. Ellington said that the company will be making its assessments to see if adjustments to the schedule are necessary. The only adjustment we may make is if the commuter demand or dictates that we adjust the time for earlier or later. But as of right now, there are two buses committed to this route, and judging by possible load, if we need to put on an additional load, we will do it. In the meantime, General Manager Mr. James was also optimistic about the service for St. Thomas. This is the very first bus This is the very first bus for the environment in Morant Bay. We are looking to service this area continuously and to bring a better transport experience to the residents of this area, he said. As for the commuters, smiling and curious faces could be observed all around as they took advantage of the service. Alright guys, that's the end of the update article. So let us know what you think. I think this is great. I actually think the JUTC should be running to every major town in Jamaica. But I guess in time, as they get new buses in, they can expand their service. Alright guys, enjoy the rest of the tour. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Have a good day.